Welcome to this tutorial on PWM controllers. Today, we'll discuss what a PWM controller does, why it's important, how to wire it, test its functionality and safety, and how it should look in final function. A PWM pulse width modulation controller is a device that uses a pulse width to control a voltage or current. It enables or disables the power to an electronic device by varying the on-time of the power pulse. This helps to maintain a desired output level while providing smooth and efficient power. PWM controllers are important because they allow us to control power to an electronic device with precision and ease. This is especially useful for devices that require constant power like LEDs, motors, and other electronic components that rely on power to function. To wire a PWM controller, you'll need to determine the input voltage and output voltage it requires. Then, connect the appropriate wires according to the manufacturer's instructions. Remember to use proper circuitry and wiring practices to ensure safety and prevent damage. Now, let's discuss how to test the functionality and safety of a PWM controller. First, ensure that all connections are secure and that the controller is properly powered. Then, write down the desired output level and observe the behavior of the device. If everything looks good, you can test the controller by driving an LED with the desired output level and observe its behavior. Lastly, let's look at the final function for a PWM controller. The function depends on the application and the desired output level. For example, a PWM controller can be used to control the speed of a motor, turn on and off LEDs, or adjust the brightness of an LCD screen. In summary, PWM controllers are important because they provide precise control over power to electronic devices. By understanding how to wire and test them, you can ensure the safety and functionality of your projects. Welcome to this tutorial on PWM controllers. Today, we'll discuss what a PWM controller does, its importance, how to wire it, test its functionality and safety, and its final function. A PWM pulse width modulation controller is a circuit that converts an input signal, such as a voltage or current, into a series of on and off cycles with adjustable duty cycles. This allows the control of an output device, like a motor or a light, with precise control over its speed and brightness. Why is PWM important? PWM is widely used in robotics, drones, LED lighting, and other devices where precise control of power is required. By adjusting the duty cycle, PWM allows you to regulate the power delivered to the output, which can have several benefits, such as improving efficiency, reducing heat generation, and maximizing lifespan. To wire a PWM controller, you'll need to connect its input to the signal source, such as a voltage or current source, and its output to the device you want to control. The output should be connected to a voltage regulator, like a buck or boost converter, depending on the required output voltage. Now, let's discuss testing the functionality and safety of a PWM controller. First, set up your test circuit, connecting the input to the signal source and the output to your desired device or load. Then, adjust the duty cycle to see how it affects the output. Pay close attention to the voltage and current levels at the output to ensure they remain within safe limits. Finally, consider the final function of your device. For example, if your output is a motor, adjust the PWM controller's duty cycle to control the speed. For LED lighting, adjust the duty cycle to change the brightness. And that's it. Now you know what a PWM controller does, why it's important, how to wire and test it, and its final function. Happy programming!